Hello everyone. In this video of Creo Parametric 6.0, we will see some basic exercises like this. So let us start with this exercise. Now go to the Creo Parametric, select New, click on a sketch, give the file name as per your wish, say OK. Now here I will draw this profile with the help of line chain. Now select the line chain tool by left click on the mouse button and draw that profile like this. You can draw that profile. Now simply move the dimensions outside of the profile. Like this. Now here we will select the whole sketch by left click on the mouse button and dragging the mouse and go to the modify, uncheck this regenerate. We will give one by one each dimension. This vertical dimension is 30 plus 10 40, so give 40. Horizontal is 70. Again this vertical is 15 30, okay, 15. That one is 20. That one also 20. And say OK. In this way your sketch will be completed. Now next one is the inside circles. So we'll draw these two inside circles. So for that we'll draw one center line over here. Select center line, move over here, you can see a midpoint. Then draw a center line through that midpoint. Draw a circle over here. Again draw one center line through midpoint of this. Okay. Now change the diameter of this circle by right clicking on it. Give diameter to be 10 mm. Give this vertical dimension which is 10 mm. Okay. Now we'll use the mirror command in order to mirror the circle toward this. So select the circle command first, then mirror tool will activate. Select the mirror command, select the center line about which it to be mirrored. So in this way our first sketch is completed. Okay. Now select this whole sketch and delete. Now we'll move to the next sketch. So we'll draw this sketch over here. So for that we will draw a center line like this. We'll draw circles like this. Okay. Now we'll define the center distance between them, 75. Double click, 75. Okay. Inside diameters and outside diameter 34 64. So here inside 34, outside 64. Okay, here inside diameter is 20 and 38. 20 and 38. Right, 20 and 38. Now we'll draw this arc which is tangent to these two circles. You simply select a 3-point arc over here and draw a 3-point arc like this. Okay. Now from constraint select the tangent, select this first circle and arc, make it tangent. Select again this circle and arc, make it tangent. Now we'll just mirror this arc about this center line. Select this arc, mirror command and center line. So in this way our sketch is completed over here. Okay. Now simply select whole sketch and delete it. We'll move to the next sketch. So we'll draw this sketch. So first of all we will draw this half sketch and then we will mirror below portion, and again we will draw one center line to draw this mirror portion. So let us start how to draw this sketch. So let me draw here first center line like this. Then start your sketch from that center line like this. Now move the dimensions outside. Here the equal constraint you can see the applied. So we'll just delete that equal constraint. Just move it outside. We'll be needing this length. So delete this one. Okay, now we'll give the dimensions one by one. Here 20, half will be 10. So give 10 like this. Okay. Now this dimension will be from here to here. This dimension would be 10. Double click 10. This dimension would also be 10. So delete this equal constraint. Make it 10. This dimension would be 5. Okay. And this half dimension will be creating only half portion, 15 by 2. Simply double click on it. 15 divided by 2. That will be 7.5. So from here, this point will draw one center line. Now select this whole sketch. Okay, before that, we'll just check all the dimensions. 10. So this dimension is not given over here. So select the dimension tool. First point, second point, move upward, give 10. In this way, whole sketch is defined now. Now select the sketch, go to the mirror tool, select the center line, again select whole sketch, go to the mirror tool, select center line. So in this way, whole sketch is completed. Okay, now select the whole sketch and delete it. Now we'll move to the next sketch, this one. So here first of all we will draw two center lines. So select the center line tool, draw two center lines, define the dimension between them. Here you can see a dimension. Dimension will be 115. Okay. Now we draw one horizontal center line also. We will draw here two circles, 20 and 40 mm diameter. So go to the circle. Okay, this diameter will be 20 and this one will be 40. Okay, now we'll draw one center rectangle of 24. We select a center rectangle over here, and here you can see equal length constraint is applied over here. So just give 24. So all length will be 24. Now we'll draw this outside circle which is 80 mm diameter. Select the circle, draw the circle, give diameter 80 mm like this. move the dimension outside. Now here we will draw one arc like this and also one arc like this. Now here we'll select 3-point arc. Now select the first point, select the second point like this. Again we will draw an arc of radius 100 downward side. Similarly again draw arc to downward side. So select the arc, select first point, select second point, draw like this. Now we will make this arc tangent to each circle. So select over here tangent constraint, select first circle, arc, first circle, arc, circle, arc, circle and arc. Okay. Now here just define the radius. This radius is 38, so alter it to 38 like this, and this one is 100. Change like this. In this way our whole sketch is completed. Okay, so we have covered 4 exercises in this video. We will also see some complicated exercises in next videos. Thank you for watching.